What's going on, guys? Welcome to 4106 Burnham Place here in Castle Rock, Colorado. A 3-bed, 3-bath with an office, 2,100 square foot house, just minutes from the brand new I-25 overpass and an apple's throw away from the new Costco. Let's check it out.
Like every time I get ahead, I end up going 2 steps back. So tonight, I'm just gonna let this one ride. You know what I mean? One unique, one special friend.
Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this tour and found something you loved about this home. I know I did. If you guys want any other additional information, please feel free to reach out. Schedule your tour today. We got something fun coming for you on this one.
No matter where you're from, all around the world. No matter where you're from, all around the world. No matter where you're from, all around the world.
Incomplete!